Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classic Restoration. We're showing off our recently acquired 64 Jaguar XKE Coupe. Normally we get the Roadsters, but not very many coupes that survive, and this one is a really nice one. We have the heritage certificate from Jaguar telling us that the engine and even the serial engine number is original, so none of that has been changed. And the car is pretty much original all the way around. These dash pots have been polished up a little bit more than usual, and the cooling system has been upgraded with a thicker radiator core and an electric fan, which these cars badly needed when they were new. As you can see, a really nice job was done on restoring the car. The goal was not to make it a 100-point show winner. It was the owner wanted to make a really nice driver, which is exactly what he did. The car was a color change. It was originally white, but you can see here under the hood and elsewhere, there is no white left anywhere. It was obviously done when the car was completely apart, and red's more popular than white, so that's what it is. The interior was completely redone in the original leather, and the car's always had the black interior, and it's exceptional with new leather, new carpet. Lots of extra sound deadening was put in the car, under the carpets, around the firewall, to make the car a little bit nicer to travel in, particularly in the summer, because that sound deadening also provides some heat insulation. The car runs like a top, and in fact, the 72 or 3,000 miles on the car are actual mileage. We have a fair amount of documentation on the car from its early life. We know the engine was overhauled at the same time the car was restored, and that was a long-term project by a prior owner, and we have a great deal of documentation to that effect. When the current job was done, rather than trying to clean up the old chrome wire wheels, these are brand new Dunlop wire wheels with, as you can see, a fresh set of reproduction Pirelli Centenario tires in the correct size. Also has a new exhaust system of the original type. Now, the merit the car has, it was painted about 30 years ago, and it really looks nice, but there are starting to be a few cracks here and there in the finish. Now, personally, I would use the car just like that for a long time and wait till it got more chipped up before worrying about it. But we want our clients to know that there are some age cracks in the paint here and there. Everything fits quite nicely. The chrome bumpers were redone, and there. Kind of lost my track there.
Chrome bumpers.
Yeah, okay, so chrome is redone. A common problem with E-types is this glass and trim around the headlights frequently isn't fitted very well, so whenever you wash the car, you get a bunch of water down in there, and then that causes those scoops to get rusty and discolored. It's perfect on this car. That it would be hard to find a nicer E-type than this under $100,000. But that's where this car is. It's your opportunity. Give us a call. Thank you.